You see, in life, when you have two friends, both of them play together, they talk together, they do things together, they work together, and they are on the same track, they are on the same level, they are on the same pedestal. But one day, one of those two friends one said, no, I need to change my level, I need to change the track. And he moved away from the ground floor, he moved to the first floor. And the other friend does not see anything wrong on the ground floor. He remains on the ground floor. The one on the first floor will begin to see things wider than the one on the ground floor. And because the pedestal has changed, language will begin to change. Because the pedestal has changed, attitude will begin to change. Because the pedestal has changed, the ethnos will begin to change. And the one on the first floor discover, first floor I still need to change. And he move to the second floor. And the one on the ground floor, still nothing wrong, still remain on the ground floor. I tell you, to come to a time you won't be able to speak to him again because it's now on the second floor. If you speak from the ground floor, you will need to shout. And now it's on the second floor. He's seeing something in a broad way. He's seeing something wider. He's seeing things that you cannot see because you're on the ground floor. And it came to a time, he decided that the second floor is not even enough for me. It's not conducive anymore. He now goes to the third floor. I tell you, to come to a time, because you still remain on the ground floor, you won't speak with him again because he cannot even hear you, because the language has changed, because he's now discussing on a higher pedestal. He's now seeing something afar. He's seeing distance that you cannot see because you can't see beyond your nose when you're on the ground floor. The crowd is too much on the ground floor. They are blocking your view. If you remain on the ground floor and your friend now go to the fourth floor, there will be a break in communication. And I want to tell you, move away from your ground floor. Change position, change pedestal, improve yourself, improve your capacity. If you remain on the ground floor and your friend in your presence go to the first, second, third, to the fourth floor, the ethnos will change, attitude will change, differences will come, and class will change. I want to tell you, with the help of this video, that look into yourself. Look how you can build yourself. Look how you can build your capacity. Look how you can improve your life. It is important to improve your life, and God will help you as you do so. Thank you. Bye-bye.